Hey guys, welcome back to Clipboard Knowledge. Today we'll be covering how to archive a post on Instagram. Archiving a post will hide the post from your page but will be saved in the archive folder on the app. So let's jump right in. To begin, we need to be on our profile page. Then we need to click on the post we want to archive, so we'll click on this post. On the top right hand side of the screen, we see that there is a button with 3 dots. When we click it, a menu shows up with 7 options. Since we want to archive this post, we'll click on the archive option. And see, now it's archived. When you click on the back button on the top left hand side of the screen, it will bring you back to your page. There, you can see that the post that you wanted to archive is no longer seen on your page. To find the post we just archived, we'll click on the 3 horizontal lines, or also called the hamburger menu icon, in the top right hand side of the screen. When we click on the hamburger menu option, a list of 11 items comes up. To find our post, we'll click on the archive button. Here we can see our post that we archived, and as stated on the screen, only you can see the post. No one else will be able to see this post on your page. If you feel that you accidentally archived your post or just want it to be visible on your page again, you'll need to click on the post. Then click on the 3 horizontal dots on the top right side of the screen. Here, 2 options show up, delete and show on profile. We want to make this post visible again on our profile, so we'll click on the show on profile button. So we can see that the post that we previously archived is no longer in the archives folder. To go back to our page, click on the back arrow on the top left hand side of the screen. Here we can see that our post is back on our page. If someone comes to our page, they'll now be able to see the post we had previously archived. I hope this video helped you guys be able to archive your posts on Instagram. If you enjoyed this video and would also like to watch more related content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Please leave any comments, suggestions, or feedback in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.